Good morning, everyone. The economics of development. First, we have to learn about the concept and approaches of economic development. The economics of development refers to the problems of the economic development of underdeveloped countries. Though the study of economic development has attracted the attention of economists right from Adam Smith down to Marx and Keynes. Yet they were mainly interested in the problems which were essentially static in nature and largely related to Western European framework of social and cultural institution. It is, however, in the 40s of the present century and especially after the Second World War that economists started devoting their attention towards analyzing the problems of underdeveloped country. Their interest in the economics of development has been further stimulated by the way of political resurgence that swept the Asian and African nations after the Second World War. The desire on the part of new leaders in these countries to promote rapid economic development, coupled with the realization on that part of the developed nations that poverty anywhere as a threat to the prosperity everywhere, has aroused further interest in this subject. So then we have to know the concept of economic development and economic growth. So generally speaking, economic development refers to the problems of underdeveloped country and economic growth refers to those of developed countries. Many economists they said that economic growth and economic development concept are the same thing. But some of the economists they stated that the development is the different concept and the growth is the different concept. Madison makes the distinction between the two terms in this sense. He writes that the rising of income level is generally called economic growth in rich countries and in poor ones it is called economic development. But this view does not specify underlying forces which raise the income levels in the two types of economies. But Mr. Hicks points out in this connection that the problems of underdeveloped countries are concerned with the development of unused resource, even though their use are well known, while those of advanced countries are related to growth, most of their resources being already known and developed to a considerable extent.